I basically rejected the offer of my lifetime. I mean, I had the chance to get an offer that would give me plenty equipment to work with and shoot many content. Also the chance to get more money into my bank account. And this seems like a very good idea, but I rejected it. The name of the company is Oraimo Ghana. Now Oraimo Ghana sent me an offer and we were to partnership and make better deals and better videos and put out better content out there. It was something that would have helped me to better myself as a creator and also improve my brand visibility and all that. But I rejected it, and I'm going to explain everything to you in detail and what you should learn from this my story. But before we go into the story, let's look at how it all started. So it all started with this particular video. I made a video about the Oraimo Airbuds 4 3NC earbuds. I unboxed it and I reviewed it on my channel right here. If you've not checked it out, you can check it up here and watch the video. Now, after the video, Oraimo happened to see the video and they were impressed, most particularly with the shots and the pictures that I included in the video, of which they even reposted it on X or Twitter. So everything was going on well, and an Oraimo representative, let's call this person Kezia. So Kezia reached out to me and was like, we've seen your video and would like to collaborate with you to produce more content like this and also empower you to be able to help make videos about Oraimo products and all that. I was like, cool, it's a good idea, we can work together. So we started off by they making me an affiliate, so I had to go through series of processes, sign and fill some documents so that I can become an Oraimo affiliate. So after the affiliation process was done, we wanted to take this a step further. So they brought a contract that I should sign, and officially let's make things official so that my brand and then the brand of Oraimo would be merged together to create better things in the future. Now, this is a totally perfect idea because as a young creator like me, having a brand like Oraimo reaching out to me that they want to partner with me and make deals and work together, it was an awesome idea. So when the contract came, I was so happy. I just wanted to just sign the whole thing and send it to them so that we can start working the next day. But I had to send it to my legal advisors or my personal lawyers for them to review and then tell me what they think. So I told Kezia that, let me just get back to you after a day or two because I need to speak with my lawyers and legal advisors, and whatever they tell me, I would get back to them. So I sent it to two of my lawyer friends. Shout out to them wherever they are. I wouldn't want to mention their name in this video. So I sent the contracts to them and I asked them to, one, explain whatever is in the contract to me, and then two, give me the best legal advice possible. Because sometimes in contractual agreements, the diction they use, if you're a layman and your English is not as strong as your English teacher's own like mine, you would find yourself fumbling. So I just needed a little bit clarification on some of the things in the contract. So they went through and then they all came back basically saying the same thing. Now the contract is good. What the contract entails was that basically every month Oraimo would send me products for me to use for completely free. After I use those products, I'd have to make videos about them, post it on my social media platforms, blah 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 and all that. And aside the things that I receive, since I'm an affiliate, any sales I make through my affiliation sales, I also have a percentage in which I'm going to get. So I mean, this is a fair idea, isn't it? Because I'll be getting products for free to help me build content and produce more content for you guys, and then I also get the money. So that part was free. It was sensible enough. They explained everything to me. I was like, okay, it's a good contract, but there was a problem. Now in the contract they stated things that I'll do that will warrant them the authority to terminate the contract, or basically things that I'll do that will call it a breach of contract. But they didn't specifically say things that they would do for me to terminate the contract. Now let me explain. They stated that they would send me a product every month. I'd have to make at least 2 videos and post it on my social media and or other platforms that I am on. I would have to make sure that I hold the brand image of Oraimo up high and not tarnish the image, blah blah blah, a whole lot of other stuff. And so if I fail to do the videos, or if I fail to do something once I'm in the contract, if I post a video that Oraimo hasn't agreed to, mind you, they have to approve every video that I make or every content I put out there about Oraimo, because it is their brand. So Oraimo would have to approve each and every content that I make. I'd have to make 2 of them at least in a month, and then also, if anything, they would pay me my commission and all that and all other stuff. Contract, assuming one, they fail to bring me the products, or within a month I received nothing, absolutely nothing from Oraimo, I don't have that authority in the contract to cancel the contract or call it a breach of contract. 2, if anything or any video I make about Oraimo, if they are continuously disapproved, I can't continue working with them, because this is my creativity. And if I make the content for you and you do not want it, you continuously disapprove it without telling me ways to make it better, I don't think it will be futile enough for me to continue working with you. And then 3, the commission they said they will pay, if they have not paid it, I do not have any right to question them or whatsoever. So the legal advice my lawyers gave to me was that I should just tell them that I want to include this and that in the contract. So I got back to Kezia, told you, hey Kezia, I've gone over the contract with my legal team. It's a very good contract, but would want to include ABCD in the contract if you'd permit that. And then Kezia said, oh, let me get back to you. So after days, let's say 3 days time, she got back to me and was like, they've gone through the contracts and everything, and I cannot actually include anything. That means what they have sent me is what I'm supposed to go by. I don't have any authority or flexibility to do anything with regards to contracts. So I told her, okay, let me also get back to you and speak to my lawyers about it. And when I got to my lawyers, what they told me was, stop, don't sign this contract, because this is not something that is going to help you. Imagine a contract that they have the right to terminate, but you do not have any rights whatsoever to terminate the contract. So they advised me that if they are not going to accept my terms, my counter, then I should not sign the contract. So I got back to Kezia and told you that, hey, I mean, it's been nice getting to connect with you and having to work with you, but my legal team advises that if I cannot include these things, then I should stop. I should not continue with the contract. So they asked me, am I sure I really want to cancel this? And I said, yeah, sure. I mean, I have to take bold decisions. So I just told them I cannot sign the contract, and that was where it ended. Now, why am I making this video? The whole purpose of this video is to tell you, probably you're a young content creator, or you are looking at creating content in the future like I'm doing right now. You might chance upon these brand offers and brand deals. Please and please get a lawyer to go through with you. Let them give you legal advice first before you actually sign everything, because whatever you sign will be used against you in the coming year. Suppose I'd signed a contract with Oraimo for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, it would have effects on me for all those years, and I would be the one wanting. So as a young creator, as anybody, the advice is that whenever you get a contract, if anybody at all, no matter the relationship, sends you a contract, just read through. Don't just read through alone. Read through with your lawyers or people with legal background. Let them advise you on the best things to do, and if it is good enough, you'd sign it. I hope this video was helpful. I was just making this video to advise you. If you find this video helpful, like this video and then let me know your views about all this saga in the comment section. Also subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever I post new content, you'd be notified. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.